channel. My name is Wendy from The Wendy Home. Our channel is all about DIYs and home decor, and today I'm going to take you through 3 DIYs for Halloween decor that's going to be impactful and very easy to do. All supplies are going to be from the dollar store. So for our first craft, this went viral several years ago and I've always wanted to try. So what I did was thrift some candlesticks from the thrift store, and I went with these ghostly ones because we were going to make ghost candlesticks. Where's my candlesticks? So I have some white candlesticks and some black ones, and what we're going to do, you're going to find a pan like this, you're going to fill it with hot water, and we're going to submerge these candles and make really fun designs with them. And then you'll need some acrylic paint and a paintbrush. Both can be found at the dollar store to paint your ghost faces. So you're going to put hot water. You can even use hot tap water. Safe to touch though. You're gonna leave them in for 10 minutes. Okay, let's hope for the best. Oh, they're very nice and bendy. How extreme do we want to go? Ta-da! Some of the squiggles, you can do a little more extreme versions as well. I think I'm gonna try doing that too. Looks cute. Boop. Boop. Oh my gosh, why are they so cute? Why do they remind me of Mario characters? Okay, I am going to style them with these thrifted candlesticks that I kind of collected that are all glass. I like how it's kind of like a ghosty vibe. Look. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Imagine this for a dinner party with your girlfriends. This would be so adorable, all styled up for a dinner party. And then if you really want to dress them up, grab some ribbon from the dollar store. Look, I was going for this Victorian vibe. And then you can just tie them around your candlesticks.
Lately your blue skies ain't coming, turning all the clouds gray. Baby, I can see a storm warning. I'm boarding all the windows up today. And the ghosts have been calling.
For the next craft, it's going to be a dupe of a very popular Michaels painting for $80 right now, but we're gonna be able to do it in less than $15. All you need is a canvas like this, some black acrylic paint that you can also get at the dollar store, and a paintbrush. We're gonna paint the back of this black and then create ghosts using spackle for a 3D effect.
I tend to lose my mind. It's you and me. Till they say last call. It's you and me. Gonna risk it all. Hand on the wheel right by your side. Hold on to the end of the line.
And for the third craft, we're going to make, again, it's a ghost theme. We're going to make floating ghosts out of cheesecloth and a styrofoam ball. You can also use maybe even a balloon as well, but what we're essentially going to do is create the form of a ghost with a candlestick and some cheesecloth and some Mod Podge. So let's get started.
When the dark starts creeping in, baby, you don't have to worry about a thing, 'cause it's you and me. Till the end of the line, it's you and me. Sparking like crossed wires. When I see you move through a certain light, I tend to lose my mind. It's you and me. Till they say last call, it's you and me. Gonna risk it all. Hand on the wheel right by your side. Hold on till the end of the line. It's you and me. Till the end of the line. It's you and me. Sparking like crossed wires. When I see you move through a certain light, I tend to lose my mind. It's you and me. Till they say last call.
fast because I know I did, and don't worry, we're gonna have way more fall content to come. I'm planning to deck this house in fall, so think mantle styling. We're gonna go all out in our vestibule, the front door area, and maybe even style a Harry Potter room together. I'm very excited. I have all the craft supplies for that as well, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe because there's gonna be way more content to come. We're gonna aim to post every other week. So join me in the next one, and I'll see you there.
I never did